Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we have one wall watch that needs to be refreshed, so we will give it a new look. So stay with us to see how we did it. Unfortunately, I forgot to start recording during the procedure of disassembling the watch, but I can say that it's a straightforward procedure. You just need to remove clock hands and unscrew one or two nuts, depending which clock you have, and that's it. You can use a small pair of needle nose pliers for removing hands. Don't pull hands as you can bend them. It is better to put pliers below hand and then easily remove them using the lever system. To remove all color, I used nail polish remover. We bought this watch from second-hand shop for just €4. Now we want to give it a different look, more suitable for our house and kitchen where it will have a place. These quartz battery powered clocks are the heart of any cheap wall clock. The good thing is that you can have beautifully designed watch for affordable money. My cats are always around me when I'm working on projects like this. Sometimes Munya does some nonsense, such as climbing on things, but they are still not a distraction to me and I like to have them around. Before painting, it is necessary to degrease plastic, and for that I'm using 91% isopropyl alcohol. For color, we decided to go with golden, which we have from our previous project with the lamp. After successful painting, let us go to find out where Emma and Munya are. In the end, it is necessary to assemble the clock. You can see all the parts of this beautiful watch. Now you can imagine me showing the final result of the painting, since I forgot where the center of the camera is. clock gets a location on the wall in my favorite corner of the kitchen, and that is the location of the coffee machine. If you find this video amusing, you can give it a like, and maybe you can subscribe to see more from us in the future. Thanks for watching.